Hello guys, welcome to 5th generation Hobby Shop and welcome to another unboxing and testing. Shoutout po natin si Sir Christian po ng Marilao, Bulacan. Sir, welcome to 5th generation Hobby Shop. This is your unit, the Glock 17 Gen 5 by ENC gas blowback airsoft pistol po. Yan, may kasama na siyang tangke ng gas, pop dyno, and yung kanyang projectile, 0.23 grams na 4,000 shots na airsoft BBs, and also comes with free silicone oil. Ayan, Glock 17 Gen 5 po with markings on the grip. Ayan, sa slide meron din siyang markings, Glock 17 Gen 5. Ayan, sa kabila ito po yung markings. Ayan, Glock 17 Gen 5, standard sight pa rin ng Glock. Meron siyang rail for flashlight accessories. Ayan. So, lagyan lang natin sir ng gas and BBs, then testing po tayo. Ito po yung kanyang magazine po, 24+1. Load lang tayo ng gas and BBs. Three to 5 seconds lang po. Ayan. Si ENC po ay made in China po ang ENC natin na pistol. Ayan, model number 1102, Glock 17 Gen 5 gas blowback airsoft pistol. Nilagyan ko na siya ng silicone oil sir, pati dito. Tsaka inigpitan ko na rin po. Testing po sir. Glock 17 Gen 5 gas blowback airsoft pistol by ENC. Okay, open slide, release the magazine lang po, and then hatak, release. Okay, hammer down. All goods na tayo sir. Glock 17 Gen 5 by ENC gas blowback airsoft pistol.